Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today is day 5. Unfortunately, I don't have my action camera, so I'll shoot na lang using my phone cam. Shoot na lang akong video every now and then. Today is Friday. Ano bang environment forecast? High tide is at 5:30, 1.06 meters. So, parang timingan natin yung high tide. Barometric pressure mataas pero it's steady. Parang ang forecast is bababa siya over the weekend. So kung steady siya and then yung trend pababa, could be positive for catching fish. I'm thinking dito ako ngayon sa Lagoon Pier since it's a Friday. I'm thinking maraming darating mamaya after work. So mapupuno ito mamaya, or hindi na nga pupuno, maraming tao mamaya fishing. And then this time meron 2, 3, 4 siguro na nagpo-fishing ngayon doon. Alright, I'll check in later. See you later.